another command, it is on error. You could set GoTo, however it is labeled, but if I set 0, that means gives the error handling to the VBA by itself, which usually it is not different with using without that. But in this case, we're usually using that for unhandled error. But in most cases, we're actually using a label to manually control it. As an example, I set I5 and I say on error, go to, as an example, ERH for error handler, and I equal I divide by 0, message box I, okay. And of course, we need to define that label, ERH, colon, I say message box error, okay. However, it is not so good, but yet, okay, error. But however, if it is not 0, for example, I divide by 2, you will see 2 and again error. If you remember, I told you you could actually, after multiple labels, make another label for skipping variant. Even here, you could add it and define a label. But because we're always using for error handler labels very bottom before and sub, so before that I recommend you always use the command which I will introduce before exit sub. So always before all labels handler, use exit sub. So we have 2 and done.